Pagod ka na ba sa paulit-ulit na pag-reapply ng iyong lipstick at hirap makahanap ng long-lasting na formula na hindi madaling mag-transfer o mag-smudge? Well, you have to watch this. Introducing the O2O Bullet Lipstick, the ultimate 24-hour lasting lipstick with a velvety texture and with quick drying formula. At ang pinakaastig, this is transfer-proof and waterproof. Kaya worry-free ka pag kailangan mo ng kumain o uminom. And tignan nyo naman yung packaging. It has a very elegant rose gold that is very slick, diba? Talagang very eye-catching siya at perfect for makeup collection. Pero hindi lang ito basta maganda, nakalock din ang product para siguradong safe. All you have to do is irritate lang ang packaging at Viola, open na ang product. Now I bought 2 shades and this one is M12. Let's go and swatch this shade. Wow, amazing pinkish shade. Kita mo naman, 'di ba? It has a rich and vibrant color. At ang pinakapanalo, available ito sa iba't ibang shade para sa bawat skin tone at occasions. It has a very moisturizing formula kaya siguradong goodbye dry and cracked lips. I'm sure na you will be comfortable at confident ka sa buong araw gamit tong O2O Bullet Lipstick. And the good thing about this lipstick is powder finish siya, kaya very lightweight siya on our lips. So let's go ahead and swatch the second shade that I bought. This is the M15. If you love red lipstick, I am sure that you're going to love this shade. It has a very sophisticated and seductive red color. This is actually one of my favorite shades. It is very bagay for morena skin tone and kahit ano pa yung undertone, either you're cool or warm undertone, this is actually bagay for you. And now, let's do the running water test para itry kung totoo nga ba ang claim nito na it's waterproof and transfer proof. I am now smudging my index finger on our swatches. At kita mo naman, di ba, na claims are true kasi hindi talaga nag-move or nag-smudge or nag-transfer yung swatches natin. Ayan, hindi din siya nag-transfer sa tissue and I actually smudge it harder para itry kung mag-transfer talaga siya or mag-smudge pero wala pa rin. For this to last 24 hours, you have to set the lipstick for 2 to 5 minutes para mag-last siya the whole day. Kaya kung gusto mo ng lipstick na makakasabay sa busy mong lifestyle, subukan mo na ang O2O Bullet Lipstick ngayon. Long-lasting, waterproof, transfer-proof, at may velvety texture na siguradong magugustuhan mo. Ano pang hinihintay mo habang nakasale pa to? Click mo na yung link sa baba. Bye!